Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I will show you guys if your CapCut PC unable to add keyframes on your audio. Here the problem. So recently I just keep looking forward. How come my CapCut PC unable to add keyframe on the volume because I want to reduce the volume somewhere on the timeline. So, and then I found the problem is not because the CapCut PC error, you don't need to uninstall your CapCut PC, but the problem is because I mute the audio. So when I unmute the audio, it will be shown, as you can see, the keyframe already there. So I don't know why. I believe it's supposed to be if even if it's mute, should be the keyframe unable to click, but recently it makes me a little bit confused. But here the solution. I hope your problem will also solve as well. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.